I've been exploring the Bank of America Travel Center for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about how the Travel Center works and what it offers. The Bank of America Travel Center is an online booking platform where you can redeem your Bank of America credit card points for flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. If you have one of their travel rewards cards, this is the main place to use your points for travel purchases. Now let's get into the value you get from using the Travel Center. Each point you redeem through the portal is worth 1 cent, which is straightforward and easy to understand. For example, 25,000 points will cover $250 in travel expenses. Additionally, there are no blackout dates, and you can book with a wide range of airlines and hotels, giving you flexibility to plan your trip your way. When it comes to earning rewards, Bank of America's travel cards offer decent rates. For instance, when it comes to Premium Rewards Card, you earn 2 points per dollar on travel and dining and 1.5 points per dollar on everything else. Plus, if you're a preferred rewards member, you can boost your rewards by up to 75%, which really helps stretch your points further. The booking experience itself is powered by Expedia, so the interface is familiar and easy to navigate. You can pay entirely with points, cash, or a mix of both, which makes it convenient if you want to use up smaller point balances or combine points and cash for bigger trips. One of the most valuable aspects of the Bank of America Travel Center is its flexibility. Unlike some other travel portals, you're not locked into specific airlines or hotel chains. There are no blackout dates, and you don't have to worry about award seat availability. This is great if you want freedom in how you book your travel. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while the 1 cent per point redemption rate is simple, it's not the highest out there. Cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve or American Express Platinum offer point transfers to airline and hotel partners, which can unlock greater value, especially for luxury travel or first-class flights. Additionally, when booking through the Travel Center, you might miss out on earning airline or hotel loyalty points and elite status credits, which is important if you're chasing perks with a specific brand. To sum it up, the Bank of America Travel Center is a solid option for cardholders who want a straightforward, flexible way to redeem points for travel. But if you're looking for the absolute best value or enjoy maximizing points through transfer partners, you might want to explore other options. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.